Now today I'm going to take you through what called cell division. As the term goes, in this concept we look at how cells keeps on dividing. One cell comes to be very many cells, so the multiplication of cells is what we call cell division. The cell which divides is called a mother cell, and the cells which are formed are called daughter cells. Let us make sure that we can at least understand what we call cell division, give the types and explain them, talk about where do those types of cell division take place, and then give the importance of the types of cell division. And then in the other topic we shall be able to, in the coming video, we shall be able to describe the stages and then compare. Let us begin with understanding the types of cell division. When a cell is dividing, it may divide and form two daughter cells or four daughter cells. If it forms two daughter cells, the type of cell division is called mitosis or mitosis. So mitosis is where a diploid mother cell divides into two identical diploid cells. The cells which are formed are always identical. They are always looking each, and they are diploid. Even the mother is also diploid. Diploid means that it has two sets of chromosomes. For example, when you look at this illustration, this is the mother cell. It has these chromosomes. In this instance we are using 2, but we're supposed to have 46 chromosomes in human beings, and we can see that even there are a total of 2 daughter cells are formed, and they are having the same number of chromosomes. They are diploid. Now if the cell divides and gives a total of 4 daughter cells, the type of cell division is called meiosis. These daughter cells are always haploid, meaning that they have one set of chromosomes, meaning it is a half the one for the mother cell. So we say that this is where a diploid mother cell divides into 4 haploid daughter cells. The type is called meiosis. Let us look at where do they occur. Where does mitosis occur? Meiosis occurs just in somatic cells, the body cells, the ones called somatic cells. For example, the cells that make up the liver, when they are dividing, the process occurs by mitosis. When you try to get a wound on your body, there is that white layer that you get. That's the germinal layer of the skin, that where mitosis occur to produce more cells that can replace the damaged cells. So germinal cells, we have embryo cells. After fertilization there is cleavage, and after cleavage has occurred, cells begin to undergo what we call mitosis. Where does meiosis occur? Meiosis occurs in gonads. What are gonads? Gonads, those are the reproductive organs of an organism. For example, when you go in males, you will find that there are testes, and specifically the seminiferous tubules of the testes are associated with meiosis, where the sperms are formed from. In the ovary of the reproductive male organs, you will find that meiosis occurs to form the ovum. When you go in flowering plants, you have the stamen where they form the pollen grains, ovary in flowers where they form the ovum. So meiosis is just involved in the formation of the gametes that are involved in reproduction. Now, we shall not go into context of the stages. We shall cover it at a different life period as we continue. So we shall cover the stages in mitosis and meiosis in another video. In this, we are continuing with the importance of cell division. Why is it important that cell division should occur? Why should cells undergo what we call mitosis? We need to grow. So when you see an organism growing, increasing in the number of cells, it means mitosis is taking place. When you get a wound, cells automatically replace that part. Those cells which cover that part which is damaged, they are produced by a process of mitosis. Mitosis, since we saw that the cells which are formed are always identical and they are having the same genetic makeup like the parents, then it means that maintaining a trait, a characteristic within a population of organisms becomes very simple. Those are importance of mitosis. For the case of mitosis of meiosis, we see that since the offsprings formed of the offspring of the cell formed are always different, meaning that variations are there, genetic variations. So it is a source of genetic variations, and we know very well that evolution bases on genetic variations. Another one, it is very important in formation or production of gametes which are involved for sexual reproduction. Another thing is that it maintains the number of chromosomes. How? By having them. We see that when they are forming a sperm cell, instead of it having 46 chromosomes, they have, so they become 23. And when they are forming a sperm cell, an ovum cell, they have them such that when the sperm fuses with the ovum, a total of 46 chromosomes is restored. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and for the next video we'll be driving us through the stages of mitosis, meiosis, and then the differences between them.